We are ready to do some serious hiking after school today. 70% of our life right now. Talk to me nice. Hello guys, happy whatever day today is that you're watching this. I'm back with a little day in the life vlog today, more like a check-in catch-up. And if I am speaking quietly, it's because Soleil's upstairs napping. We just got back from her like 1 day a week preschool class that she does. It's a parent and me class that we do, and she is always like so tuckered out by the end of it. So she's upstairs napping and I am down here getting to chat with you guys. Today's a fun one because I get to work with Walmart for this video, so thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this. I have a bunch of goodies to show you guys that have a really fun like adventure theme. So walmart.com is where it's at for quick shipping, for huge assortment, for affordable finds. Seriously, the prices are, you cannot beat them. But on top of that, it's also like any idea or project or outdoor activity that you have this fall, and really any season, they're gonna be a go-to place to find what you need and get it quickly. Walmart.com has 2-day shipping. They have same-day delivery from a lot of stores, but even if it's just from their website, so many things come with very quick shipping. So it's just great for like convenience all around. So today I actually got a few really cute items that I'm excited about that will kind of go hand in hand with our soccer mom life, or my soccer mom life, going to the soccer games on the weekends, but also I'm gonna surprise the kids with a little hike / nature hunt after school today. I thought they would have fun with that. So let me show you what I got for it. This is gonna be so cute. These kids binoculars, I will have all of these linked down below as well in the description box. We needed some adventure binoculars. What's funny is my kids have binoculars from I think when the boys were babies, and they are broken and they have been wanting some more. So when I saw these on walmart.com, I got one in each color. I know they're gonna love these and they can use these when we're out on our hike. Field books. They need to document what they find on our hike, you know? They come in a little pack of a few of them, so each of our kids can have one. Need a water bottle to be hydrated when on the go. Wallow water bottles are some of my new favorite ones. I actually have started loving these for working out and also just like mom life on the go. They're insulated, leak proof. They come in a bunch of different colors. This is my second color actually, but what I love about them is they have this handle, so when you're doing outdoor stuff like hiking or again going to sports games, it's easy to just like carry like that versus some of the tumblers that are a little more huge. This is like super easy to keep with you, and then you press the button to open it. And the straw, the only reason I'm going into details because I feel like I was the last person to learn about these water bottles. But the straw, you can like sip from this part like a straw, or it has a larger opening too. So it's like you can get the water whatever way you want. I don't know. These are amazing. So water bottle for our hike. We're gonna need snacks for our hike. Keep fueled up. I actually think I'm going to, oh yeah, there's a bunch of these. I think I'm gonna put some of these in little boo bags that I'm making for the soccer team too. So again, walmart.com, you can get groceries, snack items, Halloween items, costumes, candy, all the stuff, just have it delivered straight to you. Make it easy on yourself. Magnifying glasses. Of course, you know, my kids, they're gonna have their magnifying glasses, their field books, their binoculars. We are ready to do some serious hiking after school today. They're gonna be so pumped. I'm just like a little nervous. Maybe I should have gotten 4 magnifiers, but we'll see. Hopefully 2's enough. Fingers crossed. And then, let me scooch you back a little bit so you can get the full view. I also got this blanket. We always need good outdoor blankets for soccer games because they get messy. And I saw this one on walmart.com and it's super cute, super durable, and it has these straps that like keep it nice and compact, but it looked huge. So I was thinking we'd do like our little hike and then we'd maybe stop and do like a little picnic or something. This is a good one. And it's reversible. So like it's got this pretty like floral border print on this side, and then just like plain stripes on the other side. And Christian soccer colors are blue and white, so it's great for soccer games. This is like very heavy duty, very good quality. This is gonna be a new favorite, I know. I love to keep blankets, like outdoor blankets like this, just in the car for whenever we need them. And then the last thing is a big one. I've actually been eyeing this for a while now, and when I saw it on walmart.com's like adventure section, I was like it's a sign. I just need to own this. Fold out chairs are a must for soccer games. We didn't bring ours at first, and then every game our kids wanted to sit in chairs. So we've started getting like a million of them. We have so many, but I've had my eye on this one because the colors are super pretty and it folds into backpack straps and everything too. This GCI brand is really great for like all kinds of outdoorsy stuff like that. Trying not to show you my whole messy house right now. So cute, right? And it's a rocker. I'm just like ready for the field now, you know? Just put my feet up, watch some soccer, go for a hike, drink from my water bottle, have some snacks, you know, we're good to go. Actually, this is gonna be really game changing to have a rocking chair at soccer. All right, so again, I'll have all the links for the fun items I shared in the description box down below. I'll also take you with us for our little outdoors adventure, but be sure to check out walmart.com for all of your outdoorsy adventure needs. Like I said, sports, hiking, any of that stuff, plus the plethora of other things that walmart.com is good for. Everything will be in the description box down below. All right, currently picking up the boys from school, all the kids actually. We're running a little tight on time, so we're gonna pick up the boys and then drop Christian at soccer practice and then pick up Lola. Then we're gonna all go hang out with him at practice and go on our little hike. But yeah, first we gotta get the kids and wrap it up. And look at this. And I have a notebook where you can write all the things you found, but I forgot pens. So we'll use those at home. Mommy. Snacks, you guys want snacks? Yeah. Maybe when we get further on the walk?
I love animals.
You love animals?
Yeah. Wait. I see a black car.
Arla, what are you doing?
Swan.
Okay. You know, what do you think, bud? We're on our nature walk.
We are on the nature walk to see animals. I see them. Mommy, look.
Yeah, you see them?
Yay! I have to take a picture. No, that's okay.
Oh, you do?
I just coming.
How are you doing?
Good.
What's happening over here?
I'm breaking some rocks.
He's excavating gemstones.
Ooh.
And I've already got 2 right here. And there's 12 in all. I need two more.
10 more.
Oh, wait.
Are these from the book fair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arlo, watch, guys, watch your fingers. Soleil, watch Soleil's toes.
There has to be something.
Her dirty toes from the soccer field.
Oh! Look what I just found.
Oh, dude, so put that there and then hammer away a little bit.
You hear a bird? Do you hear a bird? Is there a bird in there?
Yeah, good. Now go like this. Bend it around, it'll break the stuff out. Grab this. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. Let's go, gemstones.
It is blue. We're back home now. My kids are already making it clear I won't be able to film a lot tonight, so I thought I would wrap up this video here. I have a couple packages that, as I'm getting comfy, I'm just kind of like trying on, because as you can see here, I'm planning outfits for our holiday photos. So I've been trying to find the perfect outfits for like all of us, and I'm excited because we're going to do our holiday photos in a couple weeks, and we're also going to have Coco, our dog, involved in them, which I think will be really cute. This is like a long kind of silky maxi skirt. I already ordered once and it was a little oversized and like too big, but how pretty is that fabric? It's got pockets and it's just like really long and flowy, so I hope that this will be more of a winner. I would try it on if I had space and time to do so. And then I'm still trying to figure out what kind of shirt to wear with it. This is one I also got so pretty on, and it's got like this draped back, but I don't know if it's like too much with that skirt. So I also ordered this tank, which would actually be really cute just for like a girls' night out too. Look how pretty, look how cute that is. So I might do this, we'll see. That could be a good option. Whenever the time comes for us to do photos, I'll like vlog it and make a little video so that you can see what we end up with. And then I saw this denim jacket, which I have one from like a few years ago from somewhere else that I really like, but it's so broken in now. I've worn it so much that it's like fading, and I'm a little over the style. This one is a bit more updated, like still oversized, but it's got the contrasting collar, which I love. Like that's really fun. I love denim jackets like this for drop off, pick up. Oh yeah, soccer. I know I talk about soccer a lot, but it's legit like 70% of our life right now. Oh, this is so cute. Yep, love this. Oh, this is gonna be like, you're gonna see me in this in every single video from now on. But all right, so I can hear my kids downstairs getting upset. I need to get back to mom life. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know anything else you'd like to see, and I will be back very soon with another one. Bye.